Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about World War One. World War One, also known as the Great War, began in 1914 and lasted until 1918. But the seeds of the war had been planted long before. Europe was a tense continent in the early 20th century. Nations were building up their militaries, forming secret alliances, and competing for colonies. Nationalism was on the rise, and rivalries ran deep. The immediate trigger came on June 28, 1914, when Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo by a Serbian nationalist. Austria Hungary blamed Serbia and they gave Serbia a list of impossible demands, which Serbia declined. And on July 28, Austria Hungary declared war on Serbia. This set off a chain reaction. Russia immediately mobilized to support Serbia, and in response, Germany declared war on Russia and then on France. When Germany invaded Belgium to reach France, Britain entered the war to defend Belgium. By August 1914, the world was at war. The Central Powers of Germany and Austria Hungary were against the Allied powers, which included France, Britain, and Russia. Soon, other nations joined as well. The Ottoman Empire and Bulgaria sided with the Central Powers, while Italy joined the Allies in 1915, switching sides for territorial promises. Germany hoped to quickly defeat France with a plan called the Schlieffen Plan, but it failed at the First Battle of the Marne. What followed was a brutal stalemate, especially on the Western Front, where trench warfare dominated the battlefield. Trench warfare is a sort of land battle where two armies against each other dig trenches and live and survive over there for sometimes months at a time, firing at one another. Meanwhile, the war expanded globally, with battles fought in Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. New weapons like tanks, submarines, and airplanes changed warfare forever. Major battles like the Battle of Gallipoli, Verdun, and the Somme resulted in millions of casualties, but they barely captured any territory. In 1917, two major events shifted the war. First, Russia was rocked by revolution. The Tsar at that time, Nicholas II, abdicated in March, and another wave of the revolution in November, the new Bolshevik government pulled Russia out of the war in early 1918. Second, the US entered the war in April 1917 after Germany resumed unrestricted submarine warfare and sent the Zimmermann telegram, which encouraged Mexico to attack the US. The arrival of fresh American troops gave the exhausted Allies a major boost. In spring 1918, Germany launched a massive offensive, hoping to win as a last resort before the Americans fully arrived. But the Allies held firm and pushed the German forces back. By the end of 1918, Germany's allies began to surrender. The Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria, and Austria Hungary all collapsed. On November 9th, 1918, the German Kaiser at the time, Wilhelm II, abdicated. 2 days later, on November 11th, an armistice was signed. In 1990, the Treaty of Versailles officially ended the war. It blamed Germany for the conflict, imposed heavy reparations, took away its colonies, and severely limited its military. World War One, also known as the Great War, reshaped the 20th century. It taught the world the cost of pride, unchecked alliances, and arrogance. And even today, it reminds us that peace is fragile, and history, if ignored, has a habit of repeating itself. Thank you for watching.